Good medical morning. Today we're going to look at an extreme weight loss and body transformation case starring Instagram sensation Alice Blows. I'm assuming that's not her real name, but if it is, well, that's pretty interesting. I think some of her before and after photos tell the story, as this Melbourne-based fitness enthusiast has lost over 80 pounds and looks amazing. Also, stick around, I'm going to tell you about how I keep the extra pounds off with information about Thinergy at the end of the video. But first, a few pics of Alice. And if you're keeping track, here is her 10-year challenge from ages 14 to 24. Alice claims she developed an emotional binge eating disorder in her late teens, eating 2 family burger boxes a day and 2 blocks of chocolate as her usual nightly routine. Her weight by her 20s was nearly 300 pounds, or 135 kilograms. After a significant body transformation, Alice had this to say to her fans. Let this be a reminder that regardless of what stage of life you're in, you can make a change no matter how small or big. You're worthy of being the best version of yourself. End quote. Great job, Alice. You're an inspiration to over 100,000 followers on Instagram. Kudos. Now, a word about a supplement I use to help train for marathons. It's called Thinergy.
I just want to give a big shout out to everyone who is losing weight with Thinergy. Keep up the great work, guys. You are all doing so awesome. Now, ways that I continue to stay healthy and be in shape is by always giving myself a minimum of 30 minutes each day to stay active. Whether it's just going up the stairs instead of using an elevator, whether it's going to the gym or doing something fun like ice skating, which I love to do, I always try to stay active. And I know sometimes it can be hard to keep yourself motivated to do that, but the ways that I keep motivated is by thinking to myself that if I am physically healthy, it also improves my mental health majorly. And also, fun ways that I stay motivated is by doing different types of exercises, whether it's taking a Zumba class or a spin class. Also, joining your family and friends with you is a great way to keep yourself encouraged to stay healthy. So have fun, everyone, and good luck!